listening to NOAA Weather Radio Station WXL36 serving Las Vegas and the greater Las Vegas Valley in southern Nevada. The station broadcasts on a frequency of 162.55 megahertz and is programmed at the National Weather Service office in Las Vegas. Current weather information from the National Weather Service is also available on the internet at weather.gov. Again, that address is weather.gov. The program on NOAA Weather Radio Station WXL36 will be interrupted today between 11 and 12 noon Pacific Time to conduct the routine test of the National Weather Service Warning Alarm System. This will be a test of both the Emergency Alert System tones and the NOAA Weather Radio Warning Alarm. Repeating, the weekly test of the NOAA Weather Radio Warning Alarm System will be conducted today between 11 and 12 noon Pacific Time. And now the weather synopsis for the Mojave Desert and the Southern Great Basin region. Warm and tranquil weather can be expected the rest of the week under a mean ridge of high pressure. Saturday into early next week, a weak trough will move inland from the eastern Pacific, which will lead to a modest cooling trend. The forecast for the Las Vegas Valley. Today, sunny. High 70,000 inches on the west side.
You got it. I got you.
The current time is 11:50 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time. The forecast for the This is a weekly test of the Emergency Alert System from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Las Vegas, Nevada. The system is used to provide warnings and essential safety information during emergencies. If this had been an actual emergency, receive official information, news, or instructions from the station. This concludes the weekly test of the Southern Nevada Emergency Alert System. The forecast for the Spring Mountains. Today, sunny. Highs around 70 in Mount Charleston.
Alright, Sanjin, good job. You went. The WR120, as usual, toned it as picked it up as an unrecognized message. Usual for VEF stations, no surprise. The recon is dead. And this one right here actually picked it up as the RWT code.